Hello everyone, I'm Elaine. Today I want to introduce you to my delicious and simple pan-fried chicken wings. Sometimes the best dishes are the simplest ones, just like our steamed chicken. Let's begin. First, wash the chicken wings. Pat chicken wings completely dry with paper towels. For even deeper flavor penetration, use a toothpick to poke several small holes in each chicken wing before salting. This helps the salt work its way into the meat, not just season the surface. Cut the scallion white parts into small sections and slice the ginger. Season all over with salt, ginger, and scallion. Mix everything well and set aside for 1 hour. Heat oil in a large skillet over medium-low heat. Place the chicken wings in a single layer. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes until it forms a light, crispy shell. Flip them over occasionally and continue cooking for about 6 to 8 minutes. The chicken wings may release extra oil in the pan. Remember to remove it with kitchen paper. Then turn up the fire, and now let's add the crispy shell. Continue cooking for around 2 minutes over a higher fire to achieve gorgeously crispy skin. These pan-fried chicken wings are proof that you don't need a long list of spices or deep frying to achieve incredibly crispy, flavorful wings. We will make crispy chicken wings with tender meat, with just salt, fresh ginger, and scallions. To achieve perfectly pan-fried chicken wings, be patient and control your heat. We can create a golden crispy shell while keeping the juicy meat just cooked. Do you like this chicken wing recipe? Leave a message to tell me. See you next time. Bye!